Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. In today's step-by-step guide, we're going to help you fix a frustrating but common issue, Google Chrome. Not updating on your Windows 11 PC. If you've tried to update Chrome and it keeps failing, gets stuck, or simply refuses to respond, don't worry. We'll go through several methods to solve it and get your browser back to working perfectly. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before anything else, ensure you're connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or disconnected network can prevent Chrome from downloading updates. Open any other website to confirm internet access. If it doesn't load, fix your connection first. Step 2. Use the built-in update tool. Open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right. Go to Settings. In this menu, you'll see several options. And you will see the About Chrome menu. Tap on that. This will open a special settings page where Chrome automatically starts checking for updates. If it says update failed, or stays stuck on checking for updates, try the following methods. Step 3. Restart Chrome and your PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary errors. Close Chrome completely. Make sure no background processes are running. Restart your computer. Try checking for updates again via the About Chrome page. Step 4. Use Windows settings to reset network. A corrupted network setting might be the issue. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, then tap Network Reset. And click Reset Now and reboot your PC. Try updating Chrome again. Step 5. Manually download and reinstall Chrome. If all else fails, reinstalling Chrome is often the quickest solution. Go to the official site, https://www.google.com/Chrome. Download the latest version. Uninstall your current Chrome. Install the fresh version you just downloaded. Your bookmarks and history will be restored if you're signed into your Google account. Step 6. Check for pending Windows updates. Outdated system files can interfere with browser updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install everything. Restart your PC and try updating Chrome again. There you go, 6 reliable ways to fix Google Chrome if it won't update on Windows 11. Regular browser updates are essential for security and performance, so it's important to resolve this issue as soon as possible. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.